Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money from PandaBuy. So first, open your PandaBuy account on your internet browser. So you can see on your screen. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right. And then you just have to click on User Center. And from here, you can see the options on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and then click on Wallet. And then here you will find a refund button. Now to withdraw your money, just click on the refund button and upon the buy, initiate a refund with your original account. For example, if you are using bank account, then they will send you the money on your bank account. So that's how you basically withdraw money from PandaBuy. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.